another decent quarter for this Swiss pharma, so raising its guidance back in the first quarter and now again raising the outlook for its operating income as well, maintaining it for its net sales. And that after some solid performance, as suggested, we saw that the net sales rose 11% and operating income up 21%. And we've also been able to get some positive sort of colour from the company as well, announcing a $10 billion share buyback, as well as it cites confidence in the mid and long-term growth outlook. And this all as the company looks to showcase the diversity in its portfolio. Traditionally, this company has been quite dependent on its blockbuster heart failure drug, Entresto, and also Cosentyx, which is for arthritis, but now showcasing the performance of a lot of other drugs in its portfolio as well. So we've got Kisqali for breast cancer, we've also got a multiple sclerosis treatment, as well as one for cholesterol. So certainly showing the breadth of the portfolio. There had been a lot of concern from investors about a US patent expiry for Entresto. That, the company says, is likely to see generics come online from the middle of this year. So that is likely to serve a bit of a blow to the company. But as said, it is showcasing these other avenues of growth as well.
Looking at the share price, the stock is up about 7% year to date. And we know one of the big potential headwinds on the horizon is tariffs from the Trump administration. He's telegraphed that we could be looking at some serious tariffs on the pharma sector, 200%.
Absolutely.
He's like, any comment from the company thus far?
Not thus far, so nothing in the statement thus far. I will be joining the investor call later today, and of course we have Vaz, the CEO, speaking to CNBC later today. So we'll be expecting to get a little bit more colour on tariffs, but quite honestly, so far it's just been multiple scenario planning for a lot of these farmers. When I've been speaking to them, it's planning for all possible scenarios. President Trump has now said that we will get clarity by the end of the month. For a very long time, he's been saying that these sector-specific tariffs will be coming in 2 weeks or very soon. He did indicate they could be as high as 200%. But he has also said that there will be a grace period. So once
a much
they
longer
are
grace
announced,
period than for other sectors.
12 months to 18 months, although from many analysts that I've spoken to, that's still not long enough. It takes years for these very complex supply chains to be relocated.
Well, I guess for the pharma sector, one thing going forward is that margins are so high that to a high point they can absorb potential tariffs, a tariff hit. Karen, thank you for breaking down the detail for us.